Hey guys, so on my honeymoon, I am enjoying this place. It is so beautiful here. So I want to show you guys my lavish skincare routine while I was here in Punta Cana. So let's go ahead and get into it. So before we do, this video was sponsored by Terra Skincare. They sent me their full line of skincare items. They have things for skin of eczema and just regular whipped body butter and lip balms. I love it. I've been using this whole time on my trip for my body to keep my legs super moisturized in the hot sun. So I super adore their products, and it's super easy and they're very sustainable. So all of their packaging is in paper, which I really love. You guys know I'm all about sustainability, and they hand make all of their products to order, and the smells are so nice and natural and so amazing. So definitely check out the link below and the discount code. So let's go ahead and get into the skincare video. So I'm going to start off with the Clinique face wash because I have oily combination skin. This is the face wash I love to use. So I'm just going to go ahead and lather that up. I haven't been using my face brush because I feel like it's been breaking me out a little bit. But while I'm out here, the water is amazing. My skin has not broken out at all. So I'm just going to pat dry my face with some tissue because they didn't have any paper towels in the hotel room. So next I'm going to use step 3, and this is the toner by Clinique. I really like this toner. It's a bit strong in the smell, but it really hits those areas and help reduce the appearance of acne or any like bumps or redness you may get. So I really like this toner. So next is, of course, the depuffing of the eyes. So I'm going to use this under my eyes. This is also by Clinique. The full thing is by Clinique. And I'm just going to take the ball of this and kind of roll it under my eyes just to kind of depuff so I can look as glam. So next I'm going to take the Dramatically Different lotion, and I added the Cartridge, and this is the Imperfection Cartridge. This is the best one to use during the day, and it helps with lines and wrinkles and just the look of tiredness. It helps plump the skin and keep everything nice and fine. So I have been seeing a difference using these two products together, but I use a different one for the nighttime as well. And I will share with you guys later, you know, in live for a nighttime video. So next I'm going to use this little spot acne treatment by Clinique, just because I was seeing a few red dots on my face, and a little bit of this go a long way, and you can really feel the tingle when it's hitting those areas. And lastly, I'm going to take some sunblock sunscreen to go ahead and add some good old sunscreen to my face, since I'm obviously going to be in the sun a lot while I'm out here on my trip. So I like this one because it's nice and thin and it's easy to absorb into my skin, and it doesn't leave a white cast on my face. So that is it, guys. That's my full skincare routine here in Punta Cana, minus the little white things in my wig. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye, guys. If you guys are already here, don't forget to click and view some of my latest videos, and don't forget to click and subscribe. See you guys. Bye.